Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: India's ambitious goal of becoming a semiconductor powerhouse. In this video, we will delve into the world of semiconductors, explore the significance of legacy nodes, and uncover the challenges India faces on its path to semiconductor dominance. So, let's dive right in. Welcome back to our channel. Before we delve into India's semiconductor journey, let's first understand what semiconductors are and why they are so crucial in today's world. Semiconductors are the building blocks of modern electronics, powering devices like smartphones, computers, and even cars. They are made up of transistors, which encode information as binary digits, zeros and ones, and process them to generate new data. Now that we have a basic understanding of semiconductors, let's explore the concept of legacy nodes. Legacy nodes refer to older technology nodes, such as the 28 nanometers or higher nodes. While advanced nodes like 10 nanometers or 5 nanometers are prevalent in devices like smartphones and laptops, legacy nodes still hold significant demand in various applications. You might wonder why India has chosen to focus on legacy nodes instead of advanced ones. Well, starting with legacy nodes offers several benefits for India's semiconductor industry. Legacy nodes are preferred in applications such as robotics, defense, aerospace, industrial automation, automobiles, IoT, and image sensors due to their cost-effectiveness. As the demand for electric vehicles and their associated electronics grows, the need for legacy nodes is set to increase. India's decision to embark on its semiconductor journey with legacy nodes is seen as strategic and forward-thinking. The country aims to position itself as a global semiconductor powerhouse in the future. To achieve this goal, India has introduced several government initiatives to attract investments into the semiconductor sector. These initiatives include capital expenditure subsidies, tax breaks, and infrastructure development support. However, India faces several challenges on its path to semiconductor dominance. The high initial investment required, the need for a skilled workforce, and competition from established semiconductor manufacturing hubs like Taiwan and South Korea are some of the hurdles. To overcome these challenges, India has been actively seeking partnerships with global semiconductor giants like TSMC, Intel, and Samsung. These collaborations are crucial for transferring technology and expertise. India has the potential to address the global semiconductor workforce shortfall. Indian engineers contribute significantly to the global semiconductor industry, with about 20% of the global semiconductor design workforce being Indian. Many chip-making companies have established research labs in India, and collaborations with global giants are expected to further boost India's workforce potential. To meet the growing global semiconductor workforce demand, India recognizes the importance of investing in semiconductor-related education. While India produces a large number of fresh engineers annually, improving the quality of education in engineering colleges is crucial. The All India Council for Technical Education has introduced new courses related to semiconductor manufacturing and designed to bridge the skill gap. India's vision extends beyond manufacturing alone. The country aims to establish a complete ecosystem encompassing design, research, development, and manufacturing. This holistic approach is expected to position India as a significant player in the global semiconductor landscape in the coming decades. And there you have it, India's journey to becoming a semiconductor powerhouse. With its focus on legacy nodes, strategic partnerships, and investments in education, India is on its way to achieving its ambitious goal. However, challenges lie ahead, and continuous efforts will be required to overcome them. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.